Short overview video introduce and / or buyer's reviews of AIMIBO wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 100 feet. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver are designed to wirelessly stream audio and video up to 100 feet / 30 meter from laptop PC to HD TV, projector, monitor. Great solution if you do not want to run messy HDMI cable all over the house or meeting room. Plug the transmitter, TX, to HDMI output like PC/laptop, then plug in the receiver, RX, on the HDMI input HD TV/projector/monitor. Power them up, less than a minute later it would be auto-synced up. Please distinguish TX and RX before hooking it up, no need apps, driver, or software. This wireless HDMI extender supports 4K at 30 Hz Ultra HD native resolution. You can mirror seamless HD series, movies, live sports with your friends or family members from apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Sky Go, BT Sport, DirecTV, Hulu, Comcast TV, Xfinity, Vudu, Movistar and more. Our wireless video transmitter built-in 5 GHz high-speed antenna, transmitting range up to 100 feet / 30 meters under a barrier-free environment without interference. Only 0.1 second low latency. It is a great solution for conference room, meetings, home entertainment, and multimedia education. Note work through walls or floors will be shortened to 32 feet / 10 meters. These wireless HDMI kits are lightweight and easy to carry them with you at any time. Compatible with most HDMI-equipped devices, like laptop, PC, PS3, PS4, HD TV, Blu-ray player, projector, 4K TVs, DVD, DVR, IPTV, Blu-ray players, set-top boxes, cable/satellite boxes and more. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.